Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing things just a little bit differently. I want to show you guys how I style my hair with a beautifully warm cap. They actually designed this cap for hair or natural hair. I can say just maybe anybody's hair because I think this will benefit a lot of people. They have the satin lining in the inside, and then they have this elastic on the back, so you're able to like put your hair all the way in there. And you know, I'll just show you. I don't want to talk too much. I'll show you. But basically this company, just to sum it up, I wrote some notes. They are from Virginia, the 7 cities, so that's where I'm from, the 757. So for them to reach out to me, I felt like that was something that's special. I thought that I could help this company out because I'm supporting somebody from my hometown or from my home, city. So I think it's, so yeah, hopefully you just keep watching, and I am going to show you guys a few hairstyles that I can do with this hat and maybe give you guys an idea. Beautifully warm. So stay tuned.
You don't keep my line no more. Oh, you don't make it ring, ring, ring. You don't make it ring, ring, make it ring, ring, make it ring, 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 ring. You don't keep my line more, ring, make it ring, 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 ring. Hit me up in a while, wow, wow. Hit me up in a while, wow. You don't want this gun smoke? Hit me up in a while, gun smoke, wow. Cool in a style, ass, but it's good. Hit me up in a while. I really do, but try to get in touch with. I just love to know you wanna spend time with me. Now you all caught up, yeah, you all caught up, and you done left me alone, yeah. You was all fed up, ready for the next step, wanna be on your own. You said I just miss you, I just miss us, baby. All I know is you don't hear my life no more, hear my life no more. I don't hear my life no more, hear my life no more, life no more, take it life no more, life no more. Hit me up in a while, wow, wow. Hit me up in a while, wow. You don't want this gun smoke, hit me up in a while, gun smoke, wow. Cool in a style, ass, but it's good. Hit me up in a while, acting like you don't know a number to dial. You don't keep my line no more.
I don't have to struggle anymore. Like, no more struggle with hats. Man, this is gonna be my favorite hat.
I could stay like this, forever following